So it's been a busy week. Lots happened. Let's get right into the Intense 5. So we tried not to focus too much on Corona, but this was a good week. Numbers were low, so low that we had one day with no new cases. Let's keep it that way, guys.
For sure. Sean Paul correcting his lyrics, priceless.
And I've been hearing that some of you have been mixing up and mashing up some of my lyrics, so I'm here to set these straight. Temperature, let's go with this one first. The gal them stole our tea. Wow. Fight me lemon, farty, narty, shark tea. I'm saying actually in this, the gal them Skilacci. Back in the day, there was an Italian footballer called Skilacci in Jamaica. Like, yo, if you're good at what you do, you're a Skilacci. I'm good at the ladies.
What were those people hearing? No, sir.
Popcorn and his mother, Miss Rona. Popcorn decided to let his mother drive the spaceship, and boy, she looked like she was having fun.
That is not a good way if you take the corner there, yeah? Boy, you cut off corner. Use the indicator, man. Indicator? Yeah, you go on.
By the way, Poppy, your new haircut look nice.
Presenting Andre Sutherland.
I know, I mean, I'm not popcorn no more, but hey, look like a schoolboy.
Churches and bars get to do a trial run. Let's see how that goes. I know enough people happy though.
Yep. And finally holding the spot this week. Who made the Queen of Dancehall cry?
I just want you to know loving you is like food to my soul. 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 Yes it is. Yes it is.
Thank you. Oh my God. So sweet.
None other than her kids on Mother's Day. Oh, Spice! That was so sweet and them sound good too. Yes! That's it for the Intense 5. Keep sending in your emails and tell us what you do during quarantine and we'll definitely feature you.